Eventually, I just want to get all this stuff cleaned up and off the ground, so I got a place to put some more stuff on the ground so we can keep this process going. That's what we're doing. Rifle season is over, so shouldn't be any gunshots today. All right, so the plan changed. I ran out of propane. You can see the tanks behind me there. Had to run down to the market, pick up propane. Started raining on the way down there. So we're just gonna burn one pile, hopefully get that going. You can see the rain didn't help process while I was gone. So we're gonna try to get that one going. Maybe do a little bit here, I don't know. The rain's gonna slow us down, but whatever. Can't complain about the rain. Make this happen. Oh, I can't say that. Alrighty. Lefty tighty. Lefty tighty. We're cheating a lot today with this propane, but I don't really care at this point. It's raining, and just kind of want to try to get this burnt the best I can. We'll go down here in this area, see all those tops, see if we can get these tops and this stuff cut up, get it on that fire and get it burnt. Let's try it. Let's do it. Just got to find you guys a place to sit. Where do you want to sit? You want to sit here? That's not bad. So we're going to take the tractor, get this thing smashed down. If we can get the old turf tires to catch traction in this stuff. Hey, feel about them turf tires now. Yum, 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 yum. Set up there so you can watch action from there, but we're going to hop on the tractor down here. Look at this, drinking some rain in the rain. How did... So that went super smooth. The mud was, you saw it, no problem for those turf tires. It just crawled right out of there. Yeah. But look. There's something going on in there. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm just trying to clean up a little bit. You see all the scrub brush? That's where that top was laying at. There's a little bit left there. See this? Beautifully, look at that. That's a beautiful straight poplar tree. We're gonna keep that. But the driveway will come right around where that burn pile's at. Down around that poplar, down through the tractor. I mean, not through the tractor, but where the tractor's at. Walk right on around here. YouTube yacht's gonna go right there. Check out this video up here. See that reference stump? That stump right there. That's the reference stump from that video. Check out that video. YouTube yacht goes here. Driveway is gonna continue on around, do a little bit of this scrub. It's gonna be a nice circle driveway, a nice fancy pants circle driveway. We'll call it like Harbor Drive or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, that's what we're trying to do. I'm gonna take the bush hog, knock down some of this stuff here so I can get in there with the loader and push those logs out of the way, just to get an idea where we're going. Optimistic about some things. Bush hog this, that's where that tree top was laying. We've said it a million times. Oh look, there's the tree, there's the fire. You know where you're at. I'm gonna take the loader to shove that out of the way, make a few cuts on this stuff, and see if I can't get the tractor, maybe shove some of that up into that fire. All right, we got those logs thrown up there. They're sitting here. We're gonna take the tractor, clean up the rest of this. And then we're just gonna kind of drive our way around so I can show you what I'm talking about on that circle drive. All right, all right. What are we gonna call this, the end of this road? Like if I put a, okay, let me flip you around. If I put a road sign at the end of this road, what should I put on the road sign? Harbor Way, Marina Point? I don't know. Tell me what your ideas are in the comments. I'm kind of curious. All right, Welcome aboard, everybody, to the John Deere 755 Tour Services. Captain Kleeman, that's me sitting right here. Hello, everybody. I'll be your tour guide for this adventure. So we're backed up to the burn pile. We're basically pulling away from the burn pile where we just did that work at. And we're coming right on through here. All right, continuing on around the driveway, just had to move a couple of those down limbs. You can see where I'm pointing. There's the reference stump there, and that's where the YouTube yacht's going to go, right there. There. See it? There. Then we're going to continue on the driveway. We'll continue on right past this native ladder bush. See that on the ground? Oh, iceberg. There is an iceberg there. Navigate around that, and we'll head up on around. All right, so there's a couple trees through here we're going to have to take out. That tree, gone. All right. Then we'll come up through here. That tree, also gone. And we'll keep pushing on up through here. Move this little feller out of the way. So I feel like I need to make a disclaimer real quick. Obviously, I'm not making the road right now. I'm just taking you on a little trip so you know where the road's kind of going to go and what I'm envisioning. The whole reason we want to do this loop at the end is just make it easier to turn around. Not only our personal vehicles, but concrete trucks, tris and quads, that kind of stuff. Once they get back here, they can get out super easy and we just don't have to mess with it. So, and then we're just going to tie right back in. You can see the fire there. That's where we started. And you kind of see the path right there that heads back out. Got it? Got it. All right, so that's what we ended up with as far as the fire goes. It's still smoldering, it has a hot bed of coals, and who knows, if it sits there and smolders long enough, maybe it'll take off sometime tonight and burn down a little bit. That's where the tops and everything was. Here's the before picture. And then yeah, that's what we got now. So like I said, that road will come down through here. Hopefully that ride along gave you a better idea what it is. Here, let's hop over here and I'll show you. Try to tie all this together. I know it's hard to see on camera. Maybe if I get a drone one day, it'll be a little bit easier to show you what's going on. But we'll walk over here for a minute through the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful woods. All right, see that right there? That one right there? Where are you guys looking? Right there? That's the reference stump from, check out this video if you haven't. That's that reference stump. That's where the fire was last time. I never even made it out to throw this in or anything. It just burnt down like that on its own. Still some stuff to burn there, but you know, it's better than what it was, so can't complain about that. So if you're wondering, what are we clearing for or why are we out here? Well, I'll tell you. For those guys that don't know, for the new subscribers, by the way, welcome to the channel. We're building a YouTube yacht out here. A YouTube yacht. So it's going to be a boat-themed, boat-shaped, maybe even a boat cabin out here in the woods. Why? Well, we're a river town, and I just think boats are cool, so why not? Why am I out here on a muddy, rainy, nasty day doing it for no apparent reason at all? Well, if there's one thing I've learned in my full-time career, not my part-time Dirt Perfect, although Dirt Perfect's taught me some things, but my full-time career, what I've learned, it doesn't matter if you're fit or fat, rich or poor, your day's coming, baby. It's coming. Nothing you can do about it. You can't control any of it. So if you're lucky enough to wake up and be breathing, you best make the best out of that day. Best make the best out of that day. Yeah, good enough. You guys get the point. So there's my preach, my PSA for the day. Say goodbye to my smoky friend. And we'll get this stuff loaded up, head back to the house. We're gonna do something a little bit more fun at the house. We're gonna wrap some Christmas presents. Now, I'm not gonna show you a video of that, but I am gonna tell you one of those presents belongs to one of you guys. It's the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Yep, I'm pretty late on it, but I got behind because of the holidays. No excuses. 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I'll show you a clip of what it is. We'll finish the video with that. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Appreciate you tagging along. All right, guys, here we go. 2,000 subscriber giveaway. It is a Christmas ornament. It says 2019 on it because it'll probably come to you after Christmas, so that'll be important that you remember when it came from next year when you hang it on your tree. It says Captain Kleeman and 2,000 of our closest friends, because we are one big happy YouTube family here, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys for subscribing. Sincerely mean that. So here's how we're doing this, the same way we did the last one. Comment on this video. December 21st, this coming Saturday, I will announce the winner on the video I post December 21st. All right? Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'm glad all you guys are here, and we'll catch you on the next one.